Hello guys, thank you for tuning in. Today I kind of am just going back to my episode number 48. I've realized I have gotten 9,572 views and about a lot of good comments. So I wanted to recap this video. I made that last year, September 15, 2020. So this is right now May 23rd, 2021. So good. I think about 6 months kind of recap to see how I'm liking the platform and if there's what's going on with it. So without further ado, let me show you. So this was my original video, 48. So this is more like a kind of follow up. Let's see. Since then, I have basically put in $500 more. You can see right here my 2021. Right now I have $1,000 total invested, and if you look at right here my dividends, every month I am basically receiving on the 15th $2.15. This was the original $500 that I invested in, and the another $500 that I invested since then. I also get $2.12 basically, and you can literally look at my transactions right here. Since last year of where's 2020? Okay, this is the original, right? August 2020, 27 cents, then $2.08, $2.09, $2.10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15. So now I guess I'm stuck at $2.15 per month, basically on that $500 investment. And the other $500, as you can see, right, every month they're about $2.12. I mean, I haven't really seen any other gain outside of this. They don't really do like I guess equity gain or anything, so I'm not really sure. This is all the dividend, and I'm getting about 5%, I would say, give or and take. Is return. There's some calculation that basically here's a person OC less Solaris, right? You can read the comments, right? People have mixed views, 5% to 7%. Some people like it, some people don't like it. The main reason I would say I put this money on, because at that point I was still very new in investing and I didn't know. I wanted something basically easy, platform, hands off, all about passive income. So this and Fundrise definitely doing that, right? Keep in mind things that are passive not always gonna be exponential growth, and right, not even 10%, right? I'm okay with conservative, basically return on money. Now if I were to get less than 5%, I would be concerned, because the inflation, right now we are about 4%, so I'm just beating barely, right? So I would ideally want to beat inflation plus a couple other percent. So that's one thing I would like Diversy for you to see, is that them paying you a little bit more dividends, so that I would say I'm around 6% or so. But that's only my major concern. Outside of that, they've been paying, they've been really good. Only complaint is that I cannot take out this. There's no way for me to take out any of the money as far as like the dividends. Unlike Fundrise, you can. So that's kind of the only other comparison. So this was kind of update, right, that I made. So I thought I should give you guys update on this. All right, please like and share. Appreciate it, and if you can subscribe, thank you very much.